Ayo, good morning. It's 12 midnight, no? May 5, linggo, araw ng linggo. Day 106, 126 na ng daily vlog. And yeah, papunta akong office ngayon kasi may kailangan gawin, no? Yeah. Kasi bukas din yung deadline. Kailangan mag-design ng office. Parang small commission siya. Kailangan ko matapos yung model ng office by morning. It's currently 12 midnight, no? Papunta akong office. Sana matapos ko siya hanggang 4 a.m. or 5 a.m. tomorrow. So yeah. And actually kanina lang, no? Kaninang mga 8 p.m. or 8 to 9 p.m. Nag-dinner kami kasama yung si Ate Fatima, Ate April, Apoy AA, for advance birthday celebration kasi sa Miraculous yung birthday ko at alam ko na hindi naman kami makikita, so ngayong weekend lang. So yeah. Pauwi muna, no? Kaya muna. Yo, good morning guys. Still May 5. It's currently 6:45 a.m. Tapos na ako dun sa ginagawang model, no, ng office. And yeah, i-render ni Niglay. So ako ngayon pauwi na, no? And yeah, it's Sunday. Most likely papahinga lang ako and magpapalaundry, no? Kasi start na rin ng trabaho bukas. And naiiyak ako kasi bukas nasa market na yung Eunice, no? And yeah, sinasabi ko na first time mo ako magiging interesado sa K-pop, and Eunice talaga yung pinafollow ko na. So damn. So overall na, it's a good morning. It's a very nice Sunday morning, no? Actually ang ganda ng araw, yung pagtama ng araw sa mga halaman, no? Ito. Sunday morning here in BGC gig, Manila. So yun, from as I've said, pahinga muna, no? And I'm very thankful again for this day. Wala tayong ipagyayabang dito sa mundo. We don't have everything. Wala tayong karapatan kasi lahat ng to ay bigay ng Diyos, no? Bigay niya sa atin. So I'm so grateful and thankful for today, you know, for the opportunity, for my work, for my family, for another year, no? So guys, sa Miraculous May 8, 3 days from now, no, turning 27, and napaka big realization, 27 years old. So I should act as my age. Yeah, I think I just have to be chill.
Pwede na na.
Have to be matured, no? Para di pa rin tayo nawawala yun. Yung sense of humor, yung pagiging young at heart, di talaga mawawala yun kahit umidad ka ng 40, 50, 60. Yung pagiging parang isip bata, or pagiging playful, hindi na mawawala yun. Sabi yung mga pero yung pagiging mature, yeah, that's good, no? Because pagiging mature ay hindi ibig sabihin na seryoso ka palagi, no? Pagiging mature is about decision making, no? What do we prioritize, no? Then it's all about making decisions, no? What matters most. Maturity is, pagiging responsible, no? Taking accountability of our mistakes or our failures. Yun, that's maturity, no? So yeah. Hey yo, dito na sa bahay, and yeah, papahinga muna. Probably tulog lang, no? Happy Sunday. Ayo, so dito ko na i-end yung Sunday vlog, no? And yeah, talagang natulog lang ako maghapon. Yeah, pahinga lang, no? So yeah, again, grateful, no? Grateful for the time being na nagpahinga, no? And grateful for everything. So yeah, dito ko na end yung Sunday vlog.